What are examples of Euclidean geometry in nature? Have you ever looked around and noticed the shapes and patterns in nature? It turns out that many of these forms can be explained through Euclidean geometry. This branch of mathematics focuses on shapes like points, lines, angles, and circles. Let's take a closer look at some fascinating examples of Euclidean geometry that you can find in the natural world. First, consider circles and spheres. Many objects in nature approximate these shapes. Think about raindrops or bubbles. They tend to form spherical shapes due to surface tension. Fruits like oranges and apples also exhibit this spherical quality. Even the circular cross-sections of tree rings or the ripples on a pond reflected the concept of circles from Euclidean geometry. Next, we have triangles and polygons. Triangular shapes can be observed in the structure of crystals, certain leaf arrangements, and even in the wings of insects. Honeycombs are another great example. Bees create hexagonal cells to maximize space and materials. These hexagons are regular polygons, which are key elements in Euclidean geometry. Straight lines and angles are also prevalent in nature. Look at plant stems and branches. They often grow in straight lines or at specific angles. You can measure the angles between branches or leaf veins using Euclidean principles, which helps us understand their growth patterns. Symmetry is another aspect of Euclidean geometry found in nature. Many flowers and starfish exhibit radial symmetry. This means they have equal angles and distances from a center point. Such symmetrical patterns often include regular polygons and circles, showcasing the beauty of geometric forms in living organisms. While many natural forms align with Euclidean shapes, some do not fit neatly into this framework. For example, clouds, mountains, and coastlines can appear irregular. These forms may be better described using fractal geometry, which accounts for their complexity. Despite these irregularities, Euclidean geometry remains essential for understanding many natural forms. It helps describe smooth, regular shapes and spatial relationships that are common in our environment. Recognizing these shapes is beneficial in various fields, including biology, geology, and environmental science. In summary, Euclidean geometry is evident in nature through shapes like circles, triangles, and polygons, as well as symmetrical patterns found in plants and animals. These examples show how abstract geometric concepts connect to the real world around us.